Hey everyone, welcome back. Today's video, I'm going to show you how I made this spicy, delicious grilled fish. I'm going to start by blending the pepper mix. For this recipe, I'll be using green bell pepper, red bell pepper, a little bit of onion, and Scotch bonnet pepper or attarado. Using a food processor, I'll blend this until it's blended but not completely smooth. And this is what it looks like after. Next, I'll add palm oil to a skillet or wide pan. You can also use vegetable oil or any oil of your choice for this recipe. I'm going to bleach the palm oil by covering it, setting it on medium heat, and I'm going to allow this sit for 10 minutes. After about 10 minutes, the oil should be bleached. I'll turn off the heat but leave the lid on for an additional 10 to 15 minutes until the smoke disappears. And like I said earlier, you can use any oil of your choice to make this. I want to give my fish an OFADA feel to it, which is why I'm using palm oil. I've gone ahead to add the pepper mix and I'm going to mix this and then season. For the seasoning, I'll be using crushed chicken cubes and salt, but you can add any additional seasoning you prefer. I'll give this another good mix and I'm going to let this fry for 5 to 8 minutes. Next, I'll scoop out about half of the fried pepper mixture and I'm going to use this to season the fish. The other half I'm going to use to serve as a sauce for the fish, so I'll allow this fry for an additional 5 minutes. Now that's done, I'll go ahead and prep the fish. I'm using croaker fish, but sea bass, drumfish, and tilapia are also great options. The fish has already been cleaned and gutted. I'll pat this dry to get rid of the excess moisture. Next, I'll make several shallow cuts on both sides of the fish so the salt and seasoning can really get in. Next, I'll transfer the fish to a baking tray lined with foil paper. I'll season both sides of the fish with salt as well as the inside. Then I'll add the fried pepper mixture and I'm going to massage this all over the fish. Don't forget to put the mixture also on the inside of the fish as well as the shallow cuts so every part of the fish is very well seasoned. Lastly, I'm going to put a couple of lemon slices on the inside of the fish to elevate the flavor. I'll cover this and transfer to the oven. I'll be using my low broil setting, which is similar to grilling. If your oven doesn't have any of such setting, you can use any heat source that the heat comes from the top. I'll grill this for about 20 minutes on low broil, then I'll take it out, open the foil, then take it back in the oven and grill for an additional 5 to 8 minutes. You can also bake this in a regular oven without wrapping the fish, or you can use an air fryer. After grilling, this is what it looks like. I'm going to serve this with traditional rice or OFADA rice, which will go perfectly with the sauce. I'm also going to add some fried ripe plantains. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video tutorial. If you did, please engage with the post by liking, commenting, or sharing. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't done so already. If you're already subscribed, thank you so much for subscribing, and I'll see you in the next one.